Oh my, wow.
Thank you for letting us have the opportunity to make your wish come true. It meant the world for all of us.
Thank you.
How you been, man?
It's gonna be a roller coaster ride. This will be a little different.
And these guys are coming back home, and we wanted to show them that, we remember. And
the pride that you feel in knowing that you work with a company that wants to step out and help the community, help with these service people, it's phenomenal to me.
The chance to give back, to provide something that I'm capable of to someone that's in need, and it's a noble thing. It just makes you feel good.
You just have to enjoy it, take every moment that you can.